sweet mung beans vermicelli pasta soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the desert soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the unique snacks recipes. It's also called sweet mung beans coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup. Today we are going to make sweet mung beans coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup. The ingredients are 100 grams of mung beans soaked in water for around 1 hour. Pour in 100 ml of water. Put in the mung beans into the water. And next, and let the mung beans cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the raisins. Until the raisins pop up. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Now put in the vermicelli pasta. Here, taking roasted vermicelli pasta. Saute heavily. Put in the mayonnaise that we cooked earlier. Salt the mung beans and the vermicelli together. Keep on sauteing. Put in sugar. We've taken half a cup of sugar. You can take more or less as per your taste. You can use stevia leaves or any other substitute if you want to make it keto friendly. Thoroughly mix. Put in 3 to 4 raisins that we fried earlier. Mix. Salt and mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Keep on mixing. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in the freshly made coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. And let the mixture boil. Mix the coconut milk thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Keep on mixing. stir thoroughly and let the mixture boil. Once it boils, let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The rest of the raisins, and now the mung beans coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet mung beans coconut milk vermicelli pasta soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the desert soup recipes and one of the most different of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snack recipes and one of the most delicious of the desert recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the pasta recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.